In this video, we will see how we can pin linked model using Dynamo. First, we have to get the linked models. For that, we will search node, select dot get documents. Nothing is here to display the output, so we need a watch node here. Connect to link name. See, it's showing the linked model names. We can also verify the same name from Revit also. We'll get link instance from another output node and we'll use this for pinning and unpinning. First, we are seeing here the linked models are pinned or not. For that, we are searching is pinned node. See, output is here as boolean, so we'll get true value or false value. True means pinned here and false means not pinned. See, we are getting false value here, so links are not pinned. Now we will pin the models. For that, we are searching set pin status. Here it's asking for boolean input, so we have to provide true value here for pinning. Now hit run. See, we are getting one error here, so this is for the internet connection. Actually, we are using nodes from synthesize toolkit. Using any nodes from synthesize toolkit, we need internet connection actually. Disconnect the nodes and connect the nodes again. See, now it's true. You can check the same value using spin node also. See, it's same here. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.